Anatomy of a Studebaker emergency brake handle and cable. Of course, this is the handle and this is the bracket. Now in here you'll see a ratchet right in here, and it is on a spring, and it engages the ridges in the emergency brake handle post. Now this is the pin that keeps the handle from just turning around in circles. Then this is the end out in the engine compartment that you need to take off when you pull the handle out. This is the end of the outer sheath, and this is what I call a J-nut. This J-bolt holds the end of the cable stable so that the cable can go back and forth, and it sticks up through the floorboard, and that nut goes just behind the gas pedal on most Studebakers, most late Studebakers, 53 and up. And that J-bolt, you see, holds the end of the cable. Then at the end of the cable you have a clevis, and the clevis has a lock nut on it, and this shaft is threaded. You can adjust it a little bit here as well as on the saddle that's mounted to the rear brake cables.